Aliganj Campus 1. I extend a hearty welcome to all the viewers who have joined us this evening in order to cheer the students and rejoice not only in their victories but also in their enthusiastic participation at the various events of eCelesta. It is a pleasure to see that so many of our distinguished guests and eminent dignitaries and our delegates have joined us in spite of their busy schedule. We thank each one of you for your presence this evening. Through wind and rain, through laughter and pain, count on Him. When life isn't fair and there is nobody there, He will be the one who will be standing by you and caring for you. To make this evening a blessed one and to invoke the Almighty for seeking the choicest blessings, it's over to the students of City Montessori School, Aliganj Campus 1 for the school prayer. Ladies and gentlemen, as you all know, Celesta is an internationally acclaimed cultural festival held every alternate year. This year, by the grace of God, we have been able to successfully host eCelesta in spite of the setback caused in every sphere of life due to the pandemic. The Celesta team has been steered by a towering personality under whose able guidance this cultural festival is about to come to an end. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, we are talking about Mrs. Jyoti Kashyap, the convener of Celesta International, and the senior principal, City Montessori School, Aliganj, Campus 1. She is our leader who has been inspiring us and who has been so affectionate to us all the while, every day in our lives. Ma'am, we request you to address the viewers.
Let others cheer the winning man. Let us cheer the winning man. There's one I hold worthwhile. That man will win some other day, who loses with a smile. A very good evening and Jai Jagat to all of you. Dear children, please understand that as ma'am pointed out just now, it is all about your enthusiastic participation on this e-platform. Everybody was so good in each and every event that I'm sure the judges found it very difficult to declare the winners. We have tried our level best to see that each one of you somehow managed to get a prize. You have been extraordinarily good, be it solo singing, be it folk dance, be it mask making, or any other event for that matter. It was outstanding. It was something which was unimaginable. Despite the fact that there were so many things, there were so many barriers, throughout the world, this pandemic has taken a toll on everybody. But children, after all, are children, and they are always very enthusiastic. We really appreciate the way you registered yourselves and the way you took part in this despite all odds. I'm really grateful today to our IT assistants who a very long time, I think it was in the month of March or April, they suggested that we can have Celesta this time on a virtual platform. And that time when I heard, I was not too confident of what they were saying. But surprisingly, doing it for the very first time and doing it so successfully with the support of the entire team from Mr. Kurian's department, from our own school, all the in charges, the coordinators, the vice principal, Shivani ma'am, the principal, everybody really played a major role to make it a success. All our teachers who have been witnessing this program every day with a big smile, that really is very motivating. So when we are sitting here in school and when we see our own teachers, our own children with such beautiful smiles, it really makes your day. So dear children, dear teachers, dear parents, and all those who have been a part of this Celesta, for these 4 days, we are really grateful to you because it gives us a lot of impetus to do programs of this kind. The very first time, as I told you that day, we are this year celebrating 25 years silver jubilee of Celesta, and doing it on a totally different platform. Till now, we used to go to the airport, we used to go to the railway station, we used to welcome the delegates there, have press conferences, do a big cultural program in the auditorium, and that preparation was totally different from what we did now. Though this was also not easy, it was very, very difficult. Judging something there and then on the stage, that's different, and judging something when you're getting so many videos, even for the judges, I think it's a very big challenge. But with the cooperation of everybody, with the goodwill of everybody, I think we were successful in whatever we did. very soon the prizes will be announced, and I'm sure all those people who are here, who are there for nominations, most of you would be there in that list. So, dear children, we really appreciate your participation. We really appreciate the talent which you possess. Again, I would like to tell you that you all are young children, you all are empowered, you all are very talented, having a lot of potential in you. Just try to use this potential to the fullest so that you can do the best in your life. Thank you very much, and Jai Jagat to everybody.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for your motivating words. And now comes the most awaited and the most exciting moment of this evening, the declaration of the results of the competitions to honor the achievements of the victorious students. And to do justice to this task, I invite Lipika ma'am to carry on with the proceedings of this evening so that we can honor the outstanding and spectacular performances of the budding talents. Over to you, Lipika ma'am.
Thank you so much, Anuprerna ma'am, and a very good evening to all of you. As ma'am said, that we need to acknowledge the talents who have sent in their videos tonight, who have sent their videos to Celesta International and have been judged by our eminent judges. One of our judges had rightly said in one of the events, he said, talents cannot be compared because each human being is actually unique. But ladies and gentlemen, when we organize a competition, we need to declare the results, and so whatever the results are, ladies and gentlemen, I believe that the children would be very happy, and all those who could make it will not at all feel bad, because as our principal ma'am said, each one was really very, very good, and the judges had a tough time to declare the results, to give them marks, and to see that who comes first and who comes second. यादें बनकर रह जाएंगे आज की ये शाम, ऐसा कुछ कर दिखा देंगे हम. Not to waste time now, ladies and gentlemen, let me start with the award ceremony of Celesta International 2020. Ladies and gentlemen, the first event that we will be taking up is Jingles. And the nominees for Jingle are
Kautilya Tiwari from JC from City Montessori School, Kanpur Road branch, Precious Conrad Chatri from W.H. Smith Memorial School, Varanasi, Uttar Pradesh, Sunamra Divedi from City Montessori School, RDSO campus, and Zaid Ali Bharti from Sir Padampat Singhania School, Kota, Rajasthan.
So here are the nominees, ladies and gentlemen. Now we will be announcing the results for jingles. The winners are, ladies and gentlemen, I'll start with the second consolation prize. So here goes. And this particular prize has been bagged by Kauchalya Tiwari, JC's Public School, Uttarakhand. Congratulations, Kauchalya. The next category prize is the first consolation prize for Jingles in Celesta International 2020. And the prize goes to, yes, hold your breath, Sunamra Dwivedi of City Montessori School, RSO campus. Now comes the third prize. Here comes the name of the participant who has won the third prize in Jingles. And this prize goes to Zaid Ali Bhatti of Sarpadampat Singhania School, Kota, all the way from Rajasthan. You all must be feeling very happy, children. And now when I announce the name of the second prize winner in Jingles, you come to know about the first prize winner as well. Anyway, Precious Conrad Chatri has bagged the second prize and is from W.H. Smith Memorial School, Varanasi, Uttar Pradesh. And now, the first prize, big clap for the first prize, goes to Mrinal Sahai of City Montessori School, Kanpur Road campus. A loud round of applause. Dear participants from Mrinal Sahai. Congratulations to all the winners, to all the participants. And now we go forward. The next category or the next event that we will be taking up is stand-up comedy. The nominees are
Nitin Thakur from Sir Padampat Singhania School, Kota, Rajasthan. Omisha Agarwal from City Montessori School, Rajendra Nagar Campus 1. Saksham Jain from Montfort Senior Secondary School, New Delhi. Satyat Path from City Montessori School, Rajajipuram Campus 1. And Shrishti Acharya from Padmodaya Public Model Secondary School, Nepal.
Well. So the nominees have already been declared. And now is the time to tell you the different category winners of stand-up comedy. Stand-up comedy, ladies and gentlemen, is very difficult. And the students did very well. They have done really well. So here comes the name of the student who has won the second consolation prize in this event. And it goes to Satyarth Path of City Montessori School, Rajajipuram Campus 1. The first consolation now. The first consolation prize. Now clap. And here goes the name. Srishti Acharya of Padmodaya Public Model Secondary School, Nepal. Congratulations, Srishti. Well done. The third prize now. Ladies and gentlemen, the third prize for stand-up comedy. And the prize goes to Omisha Agarwal of City Montessori School, Rajendra Nagar Campus 1. Now, two names left. Back please. One is the second prize winner and the other one is the first prize winner. Here it goes. The second prize in this category has been bagged by Nitin Thakur. Congratulations, Nitin. Sir Padampat Singhania School, Kota, Rajasthan. He's bagged the prize. He's come all the way from Rajasthan and he's taken the prize. Now the first But still, I need to announce the name. And the proud winner is Saksham Jain of Montfort Senior Secondary School, New Delhi. As we go forward, I would now be announcing the nominees. My co-compare would be announcing the nominees for solo singing. And the nominees are
Alina Bharti from Sir Padampat Singhania School, Kota, Rajasthan. Anshika Arya from JC's Public School, Uttarakhand. Avi Srivastava from City Montessori School, Kanpur Road Campus. Hannah Varghese from our own English High School, Dubai. Ishan Raghuveer from Navrachna Vidyani Vidyalay, Vadodara, Gujarat. Navya Shankar from James Wellington, UAE. And Sara Marwa from Indian School, Muscat, Oman.
Well, so these are the nominees for the event Solo Singing. Music is the food of soul. मन ही मन को जानता, मन ही मन की रीत, मन ही मनमानी करे, मन ही मन की प्रीत, मन झूमे, मन बावरा, मन की अद्भुत रीत, मन के हारे हार है, मन के जीते जीत. So if you feel you are the winner, you are the winner. And now I'll be announcing the names of the winners of solo singing. Second consolation for solo singing. Ladies and gentlemen, I have two names in this category. Sara Marwa of Indian School, Muscat, Oman, UAE. And Ishan Raghuveer of Navrachna Vidyani Vidyalaya, Vadodara, Gujarat. Are your heartbeats going faster? Thak, 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 thak. Yes? So with the thak, thak music, first consolation prize goes to Navya Shankar of James Wellington, United Arab Emirates. Congratulations, Navya. You have sent your video all the way from your hometown and you have been able to win a prize. That's great. Now, the third prize. The third prize in the event, solo singing. Well, this goes to Hannah Varghese of our own English High School all the way from Dubai. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen, for all those claps. And I know that you all are very, very happy tonight. Taking this forward, I am all ready to announce the names of the students who won the second prize in this category. The second prize, ladies and gentlemen. And let me tell you, I have two names once again. Avi Srivastava from City Montessori School, Kanpur Road Campus. And Anshika Arya from JC's Public School, Uttarakhand. Now the first winner, with all the bombs, all the music and all the claps, Alina Bharti from Sir Padampat Singhania School, Kota, Rajasthan. These Rajasthanis are really doing wonders along with the others, ladies and gentlemen. And now we proceed further. The next category, a very special category. Celesta got talent. We all are talented, we know that. Our children who have sent in their videos are really, really talented. And let me see who are the nominees. The nominees for this event are
Angel Anand from City Montessori School, Chowk Campus. Bhavya Gupta from Montfort Senior Secondary School, New Delhi. Atharv Patwa from Bhavans Bhagwandas Purohit Vidya Mandir, Ashti Branch, Nagpur, Maharashtra. Divya Sharma from JC's Public School, Uttarakhand. And Vedang Dikshit from City Montessori School, Rajendra Nagar, Campus 1.
very good. And congratulations to all the nominees. When you are a nominee, you are a winner. Isn't it, children? But as I said in the beginning, we have to announce the different prizes. So here we go. The second consolation prize has been bagged by Vedang Dikshit of City Montessori School, Rajendra Nagar, Campus 1. Vedang, you did it. And now, the first consolation prize. Who has got it? Let me see. Let me find out and let me feel. Atharva Patwa from Bhavans Bhagwandas Purohit Vidya Mandir, Ashti Branch, Nagpur, Maharashtra, the land of Shivaji. And you have also won a prize, Atharv. Congratulations. And now, ladies and gentlemen, I can feel the wind. I can feel the flowing rivers. I can feel that gold. And I can feel the lovely flowers. I hope you have understood. Yes, let me take you to Uttarakhand. Divya Sharma from JC's Public School, Uttarakhand. Congratulations, Divya. You have done it and you have made it for yourself. And now, ladies and gentlemen, I'm feeling very homely and I'm feeling very happy. The second prize goes to Angel Anand, City Montessori School, Chowk Campus. Yes, I think, the clap could be a little louder. Thank you, dear children. Thank you, audience. Thank you, everybody. And now, we go to our capital city. Well, the capital city of our country, Delhi. The prize goes to Bhavya Gupta, Montfort Senior Secondary School, New Delhi. Ladies and gentlemen, yes, feel very proud of yourselves, dear children. I can feel it. Be happy. We'll take a little break here and let us see what is coming up next for us. Oh my, there has to be something good. Over to my co-compare, Anuprena ma'am. Ma'am, I think you have something special for us today. We're all waiting to hear you.
We dance for laughter, we dance for tears, we dance for madness, we dance for fears, we dance for hopes, we dance for screams. We are the dancers, we create dreams. Dance is one of the most divine forms of art. Dance is not just the movement of limbs. It is a way in which an individual expresses one's feelings, and you can even communicate with God. So here come the students of City Montessori School, Aliganj Campus 1. Small students of classes 1 and 2 with the prayer dance.
Coming up next is the prayer dance, ladies and gentlemen. I know. And let us see what wonders have these children done. They are all 6+ and 7+ age group.
सच की डगर मुश्किल हो चाहे सफर तुझको लगे नारिगर ऊंचा हो सर मन झूठा सच्चा मन के तो है लाख रंग मन से चले रोज जंग सुन मन झुकना
A beautiful prayer dance, ladies and gentlemen. And now we move forward with our award ceremony and our prizes. The event that is coming up next is poetry. Poetry. Poetry can take you anywhere. Poetry, through poetry, you can actually tell the world what you feel. Now for the nominees for poetry, let me ask my co-compare to tell you the names. The nominees for poetry are
Amritesh Pandey from W.H. Smith Memorial School, Varanasi, Uttar Pradesh. Mansha Goel from S.D. Vidya School, Haryana. Naisha Khan from City Montessori School, Gomtinagar, Campus 2. Lakshya from Orchid Science College, Nepal. Adrija Dattare from DPS Kalinga, Cuttack, Odisha. And Yashvardhan Bhadoria from City Montessori School, Kanpur Road, Campus.
Okay, so those were the nominees. And now, yes, now. And now I will have to again announce the winners for which you all are waiting patiently. Yes, you have to have a lot of patience. The winners for poetry now, and I start with the second consolation prize, ladies and gentlemen, which has gone to Lakshya of Orchid Science College, Nepal. Congratulations, Laksh. And now the first consolation prize. I'm sorry, I did not see. There's one more second consolation prize. Wow, that's good. And the name of the child is Adrija Dattare from Delhi Public School, Kalinga, Cuttack, Odisha. And now the winner of first consolation prize. Well, that goes to Manisha Goyal of SD Vidya School, Haryana. Excellent children, and congratulations to each one of you. Now the third prize. The third prize in this category of poetry goes to Amritesh Pandey of W.H. Smith Memorial School, Varanasi, from our own state, Uttar Pradesh. Now, again I'm feeling very homely. I'm feeling very good. Yes, we all need to be proud of ourselves. The second prize goes to Naisha Khan from City Montessori School, Gomti Nagar, Campus 2. The first prize now. The first prize. Yes, this has gone to Yashwardhan Bhadoria from City Montessori School, Kanpur Road Campus. Congratulations to all the winners. And now, let me announce for this event, which has been named as Hip Hop Freestyle Dancing. Freestyle dancing or hip hop dancing, and the nominees in this category are
Kalika Rajpur from City Montessori School, Kanpur Road Campus. Mohammad Mustaqfi Abbasi from Sir Padampat Singhania School, Kota, Rajasthan. Shivi Upadhyay from City Montessori School, Gomti Nagar, Campus 1. Ritesh Paudel from Orchid School, Nepal. And Sunaina Paul from ODM Public School, Odisha.
It's not so easy to dance all along. And the winners in this category are second consolation prize first. This goes to a student who is from the city of Lucknow, and the name is Shivi Upadhyay from City Montessori School, Gomti Nagar, Campus 1. The first consolation. The first consolation has been bagged by Ritesh Paudel from Orchid School, Nepal, our neighboring country. The third prize goes to Pahado, Rajasthan. Mohammad Abbasi from Sir Padampat Singhania, Kota, Rajasthan. The second prize, heartbeats up, music all the way, and the name is Kalika Rajput, City Montessori School, Kanpur Road Campus. Well, are we all ready to applaud the winner or the first prize winner from this category? The name is Sunaina Pal from ODM Public School, Odisha. Thank you all for those claps. They are well deserved. The students have really made it up for themselves. And now comes an event जिसके बारे में मुझे थोड़ा बोलना है. नृत्य पैरों की थिरकन, नृत्य गीतों की धड़कन, नृत्य रस में तरंग, नृत्य भावों की लचकन. भूल कर नृत्य में सब करो स्वीकार तुम हर सत्य. नृत्य रंगता है तन मन, नृत्य जीवन का सृजन. So this event is folk dance, and the nominees for folk dance are
Aditi Ambe from Sunbeam Sun City School, Varanasi, Uttar Pradesh. Afia Ibnat Halim from Scholastica, Dhaka, Bangladesh. Dakshata Tiwari from City Montessori School, Joplin Road campus. Srileya Vinod from Almanar International School, Saudi Arabia. Priyanshi Vyas from Sir Padampat Singhania School, Kota, Rajasthan.
Well. So, these are all our nominees, and now the time has come again for me to announce the different prizes in our event Folk Dance for Celesta International 2020. Though we have gone virtual this time, but the enthusiasm has not gone down. Well, the second consolation prize in this event has been bagged by Almanar International School, Srileya Vinod. The first consolation. The first consolation in the category folk dance has been bagged by, again Maro, Rajasthan, Priyanshi Vyas from Sir Padampat Singhania School, Kota, Rajasthan. Well, Dakshata Tiwari of City Montessori School, Joplin Road campus has won the third prize. And now, the name of the child who has won the second prize in folk dance. Who could he or she be? Who could he or she be? Okay, another student from our neighboring country. Yes, Scholastica, Dhaka, Bangladesh, Afia Ibnat Ali. Afia, you were wonderful. Congratulations. And now the first prize winner in the event folk dance goes to the Holy City. Does it go to the Holy City? No. It goes to Aditi Ambe from Sunbeam Sun City School, Varanasi, Uttar Pradesh. Yes, to the Holy City. Music. You know, as there are 7 colors in a rainbow, we have 7 C's. We have 7 notes in a music. So we carry forward this, and the event is instrumental music, ladies and gentlemen, wherein with the help of an instrument you actually tell about so many things. You express your feelings through this, and the nominees are
Aditi Kumar from the British International School of Chicago, USA. Adil Ali from City Montessori School, Indranagar campus. Ansh Kumar from Sunbeam Sun City School, Varanasi, Uttar Pradesh. Anuj Chauhan from Sir Padampat Singhania School, Kota, Rajasthan. And Sarthak Mishra from Jagran Public School, Gomti Nagar, Lucknow.
So ladies and gentlemen, you can see all those students playing different instruments. And now the names of the winners. The second consolation prize goes to the City of Nawabs. To the City of Nawabs? Well, this has been backed by Adil Ali of City Montessori School, Indranagar campus. And now, the first consolation prize. Who has taken it? I can see the City of Nawabs once again. Well, Sarthak Mishra, Jagran Public School, Gomti Nagar, Lucknow. Now comes the third prize. The third prize goes to... Yes, it's Ansh Kumar from Sunbeam Sun City School, Varanasi. And now, ladies and gentlemen, we will have to go a long way. Where do we go to? Jewish International School of Chicago, United States of America. First prize. Hold your breath once again. I think this time the school is definitely going to call us for a ride on a camel. Well, this prize goes to Anuj Chauhan of Sir Padampat Singhania School, Kota, Maro, Rajasthan. Once again, children, congratulations to all the winners. And now we go ahead. We have to. This evening is maturing. Celesta is going to come to an end. But every end, dear children, has a new beginning. So, here was an event which was offline. But let me tell you, the children, they had sent us the images of the beautiful masks that they have prepared. And the judges found it very difficult, but still we have come up with the nominees for mask designing.
And the nominees are Hardik Chaturvedi from Sir Padampat Singhania School, Kota, Rajasthan. Tunishka Gupta from W.H. Smith Memorial School, Varanasi, Uttar Pradesh. Kiran Singh Dhami from Adarsh Vidya Niketan Secondary School, Nepal. Aradhya Verma from St. M.R. Jaipuria School, Lucknow. Aditi Mishra from Army Public School, Lucknow. And Anastasia from Slavic Anglo-American School, Marina, Moscow, Russia.
Well, you have seen all those beautiful masks. This year, 2020, is a year of masks. We have to wear this mask all throughout. So the children, they have really designed beautiful masks for ourselves, for us as well. And in this category, the second consolation prize goes to Aditi Mishra of Army Public School from Lucknow. The first consolation prize. Yes. The first consolation prize goes to Aradhya Verma of St. M.R. Jaipuria School, Lucknow. In the category of the third prize. Now, who is the child? Who is the winner? Who has bagged the third prize? This prize has been bagged by Tunishka Gupta from W.H. Smith Memorial School, Varanasi, the state of Yogi Ji, Uttar Pradesh. And now the second prize and 3 names. So you can understand, either there will be 2 names in the second prize category or 2 names in the first prize category. Now you will have to hold your breath and listen. And can you tell me? You can't. Because the result is with me. So I will have to tell you. Well, the second prize has been bagged by Anastasia from Moscow, Slavic Anglo-American School, Marina, Moscow, Russia. And the second prize has also been bagged by Kiran Singh Dhami of Adarsh Vidya Niketan Secondary School from a neighboring country. Which country? Nepal. I think this time the school will really invite us, because once again this child is from Sir Padampat Singhania School, Kota, Rajasthan, and the name is Hardik Chaturvedi. I believe all our participants must have enjoyed watching this award ceremony as much as we both are happy announcing this. have just come to an end of the prize distribution ceremony, the award ceremony, but we have not yet come to an end of today's evening. You still have something to watch. Anuprerna ma'am, can you do the honors, please?
Thank you so much, Lipika ma'am. And I'm sure everybody is happy after the announcements of the results. All of you are talented in your own unique way. And I'm sure that we have witnessed the best from the best. Children, you all are like buds in a garden, waiting for the right time and opportunity to bloom. We wish you all the best in your future endeavors. Winning a prize should not be the sole aim of participating in a competition. What is desirable is that students should participate with a sporting spirit to gain experience and to benefit from the exchange of ideas that take place on such occasions. It is important to give your best effort and keep on trying.
Have you shown it to them?
Everything in this world is like a banyan seed, which though it appears to be as tiny as a mustard seed, has yet the gigantic banyan tree latent within it. If you have not got the very best of what you wanted, doesn't matter. Always remember, every fall is but a rise, and to know this is to be truly wise. So congratulations to each one of you, because each one of you is a winner in your own way.
That was beautiful, Anuprerna ma'am. Every fall has a rise. I liked this sentence. And now, ladies and gentlemen, we'll show you something which I think you all will enjoy. All these months and days, we have been preparing for E Celesta. There were so many occasions wherein we had to sit late. We were there, the entire team was there together, planning, executing. So let us see what special do we have to show you. Wait and watch, Anuprerna ma'am. You two are going to love this, and the entire team and our audience, you too. So here we go with something special.
We're gonna keep it low key, keep it softly spoken, with no strings tying you to me. I'm happy in your company with no emotion, 'cause my love deserves to be free. I never wanna look at a house in the garden, I never wanna lock you down. I know you're not mine, it's just my turn, but we can still have fun for now. You told me you don't really do commitment, trust me, consider your message received. When you said you couldn't take us too seriously, I must admit I was relieved. 'Cause I never wanna play happy families with you, but I like having you around. I'm fully aware this is a flash in the pan, but we can still have fun for now. Stop paying so much attention, and when you're moving in another direction, don't worry, I get it. I meant what I said when I said it, lady. I never wanna look at a house in the garden, I never wanna lock you down. I know you're not mine, it's just my turn, but we can still have fun for now. No, I never wanna play happy families with you, but I like having you around. I'm fully aware this is a flash in the pan, but we can still have fun for now. Yeah, we can still have fun for now. Oh, we can still have fun for now.
Show you everything. Well, as I said, we really enjoyed organizing Celesta International, and kudos to the entire staff of CMS Aliganj One and to our entire staff of Korean Sir, because without their help it would not have been possible. Every one of you, thank you so much.
It is rightly said that days are not lost when memories are created. We at City Montessori School are a family working together for the noble mission of nurturing children so that they become both good and smart and grow up to be ideal citizens of the world. And in this way, we have reached another milestone in the journey of our institution with the completion of this eCelesta 2020. And now it is time for me to call upon a dynamic lady with a charming personality who is none other than the principal of City Montessori School, Aliganj Campus 1 and the co-convener of Celesta International to propose a vote of thanks.
Over to you, ma'am.
Shivani, you are muted. Shivani, you are muted.
Is it okay? Am I audible now?
Yes.
ma'am.
Okay, thank you. Music gives a soul to the universe, wings to the mind, flight to the imagination, and life to everything. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. The 4-day-long Celesta musical fiesta has come to an end now. Children, remember, as everybody told you, that participation is more important than winning. You learn so much while you participate. So never get disappointed. Keep trying and give your best. Because लहरों से डरकर नौका पार नहीं होती और कोशिश करने वालों की कभी हार नहीं होती. I hope you all must have enjoyed watching the program as much as I have. Each program was fabulous and each one of you performed so well. For me, everyone is a winner. So congratulations to all of you. Let me thank all our participants and their schools for their active participation, enthusiasm, zeal, and eagerness to give their best. I could feel the fervor of your performance as I strongly believe that music opens the secret of your life. Let me thank now all those people who have joined hands together to bring Celesta to life, as organizing an event virtually was absolutely new to all of us. It is really commendable to showcase this kind of creativity in this challenging time of COVID-19. Really, where words fail, music speaks. A special thank to the management, as they have always encouraged and supported us in all our endeavors. My gratitude to the founders, MD and President, City Montessori School, Professor Geeta Gandhi Kingdon, CEO, Mr. Roshan Gandhi Paruhi, Senior Principal and Head QAID, Ms. Sushmita Basu. Thank you to all the guests for gracing the Celesta events. My heartfelt gratitude to all the judges who gave us their valuable time. Going through so many videos and deciding the results must have been a difficult task for you. I'm sure children must have learned so much from your feedback and from your experience. A big thank you to my senior principal, Jyoti ma'am. I would like to thank all other senior principals and friends from all the campuses of City Montessori School. Thank you so much for sparing time for this Celesta 2020. Thank you to Mr. Kurian and his team, Mr. Gulfam, Mr. Cherian, Mr. Ahmed, Mr. Nurul, Anuj, Pradeep, Sam, Manish and Mr. Ratan. Thank you, Ms. Rekha Rawat, for beautiful dance coordination. And ladies and gentlemen, now 3 cheers for Team Aliganj 1. Hip hip! Hooray!
Hooray! Hooray! Hooray!
Hip hip!
Hooray!
Yay! So that's all for today. Would love to welcome you all again from the platform of Celesta 2022. God bless you all. Good night. Thank you.
चलते चलते Celesta International 2020 team signing off.